Our gardens are awash with color from spring bulbs and perennials, but come summer, things can get a little bare. We're going to show you 5 plants that are going to bloom right through the summer so you can enjoy your color. Let's start with Rudbeckia Glodsturm, a bulletproof perennial with blooms from July to September. Bright gold, no deadheading, and reliable. Then we have the next generation of PG hydrangeas. The compact Little Hottie starts off lime green like limelight, only grows 3 feet, and blooms all summer long, fading to a lovely antique pink. Sun-loving Galardia will bloom from late June right through to a frost with a little deadheading, and just look at these hot colors. They really stand up in the sun. Cape fuchsia, like this Phygelius Colorburst rose, are great in full hot sun and are a good companion plant with its fellow South African blue Nile lily, or agapanthus. There's a whole little world in the greenish yellow throats of this beautiful repeat blooming daylily, Scottish fantasy, and it's going to bloom for you all summer long.